I've always thought that this program is very blessed. I think that the students are just very excited about being here because you got certain belief systems and people believe in them. People think that they can change their lives and they understand that they can. And we take an approach to engineering and manufacturing and get them excited about their futures.
5,000. So the biggest it can be is 0.86.
0.2.
You walk in here and then it's like everyone is together. We all work collaboratively, and I feel like that makes people want to be here.
I think just from a personal experience, I was just excited to be a girl in a shop where it's mostly men. You know, I'm working on one of the biggest machines in here. I come in here every day because I want a good future. It's just having the leadership role and integrity.
I think over the past couple of years, younger and younger audiences have been attracted to this program. We've even been able to renovate marketing teams for middle schools. And a bunch of middle schoolers have been wanting to, I want to go to Desert View, I want to go to Desert View, just for this program.
It makes me feel grateful for what we have here and what we have available in the shop, because not everybody has this.
Me having the privilege to be able to work with such an astounding company, I might be able to pursue a career in DMG MORI.
I'm gonna be the first in my family. I'm doing it for other women too because I know women aren't really in this field, but I'm in it to show that women can be in this field, that women are able to, and women should be. And it's really amazing to see how many girls there are in this program and how many do want to seek out the career in machining.
I like just the different opportunities that this program gives, there's a drafting opportunity, we can go through that pathway, the machining shop. Also the environment, the people here, everyone's kind of friends here. It's cool being in an environment where everyone has the same interest in you, so it's kind of just upbuilding and encouraging. I think just the machining aspect is very impactful because that's what I want to do in the future.
We have a meeting once a year with all the Harbor Freight Teachers Schools of the Year. And the gentleman that started the project was at our table, and I saw the prosthetic leg, and I'm like, we're in. It's like, we're not even gonna talk about this anymore, we're in. You could definitely see, without even hearing about the story or anything, the impact that it was gonna bring to a student's life.
Definitely what made that project different is the emotional attachment that you get to it because of what we're truly doing. Once you see behind, just the leg, the fact that we go and we fit it on people in these third world countries that don't have the opportunity to be able to have a leg, and we give them that opportunity. That's something what set it apart from everything else.
The whole process was just emotional, but most of all rewarding, because you're giving somebody the ability to walk. They've never walked in their lives or in years, and we had the opportunity to change their lives, and in a way it changed ours as well. We've never seen anything like that serious.
I know I have a place in here. Having women in this program helped me establish role models, establish connections, learn that I can do this too.
Machining will be the new work for the generation. It's all over the place.
I feel like it has a lot to do with the people that teach you these things. Both of my teachers, I really like them. I have been able to create a very strong bond with both of them over just 1 year of being in this program.
I take my job very personally. So I think I devoted so much time to this place. You work an entire lifetime in what I do to get here. And there are teachers that are never going to experience this, ever. Where you actually see that you actually made a change. You improved something. You 1%, but you actually see that you actually made a change. The program, the machines, this is all great. It all comes with, really, it's the belief that the student has in themselves, or the fact that they actually are buying into a system that is being that was put in place here at Desert View that the students think that they can change.